Hey there, tech-savvy friends. If you're in the Philippines or dealing with international payments, you've probably heard of PayPal and GCash. PayPal is a global online payment system, while GCash is a super convenient mobile wallet for everyday transactions. Today, I'm excited to walk you through how to link and use these two services together, making your money transfers smoother and faster. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both accounts set up. If you don't have a PayPal account, head to the PayPal website or app and sign up. It's quick and free. For GCash, download the app from the Google Play Store or App Store if you haven't already, and complete your registration with a valid Philippine mobile number. Now, onto the fun part. Linking them. Open your GCash app and go to the Bank or Transfer section. Look for the option to add a bank or link an account. PayPal might appear as an international partner. Select PayPal, and you'll be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Once logged in, authorize the connection. This step usually involves verifying your identity, so have your PayPal email and password ready. After linking, you can transfer money from PayPal to GCash easily. For example, to withdraw funds, go to your PayPal account, select Withdraw or Transfer to Bank, and choose GCash as the destination. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to reflect, depending on processing times. One important tip: always double-check for any fees involved. PayPal might charge a small conversion fee for international transfers, and GCash could have limits on daily transactions. Also, keep your accounts secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to avoid any hiccups. And there you have it. You're all set to use PayPal with GCash. This setup is perfect for online shopping, receiving remittances, or splitting bills with friends abroad. If you run into any issues, check the help sections in both apps or contact customer support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more handy tutorials. See you next time.